Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to add music to your Facebook profile. So let's get started. At first let's get into Facebook app. Now click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now click on settings. We need to scroll down to profile details. If we scroll down we can see this music option in the bottom. To see all you can simply tap on see all, and to add click on this plus icon in the top right corner. Now you can choose any song you want. You can add multiple songs as well. And you can simply get back. Here we can see the music is added. If you even get back, we can see the music added on our profile. So this is all we can do to add music on our Facebook profile. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.